Abusia from we akwaba ever attention TV so because a fella no what na fie ageme so say attention kokonsatu ana edrusu no fella oni say bia nsam no bia ye be hyehe ye be pe e de abro o bia obia TikTok star queen ene die Ghana for ya pressure na sa anniversary kra ndu ye post ni ku Association of Commentators abe commenting yaba kohwe ho nsem no bi ensem bebre e kan nsem ana me akosia sparkles me de ebe somo e wo filler e wo attention TV so ni na emu no na me ka wo se won subscribe ya na wa subscribe ama me na wo share ama bi so ensa aka filler so na me di kan kai ne se me ka filler na wa gigi ato akonyem ageme so e ya attention kokonsatu mi twa me ho aba ne batisia I was in a former obibia aqua by every break na ye koje yen eba ye no me da se papa ye se what na me chen na me de filler e de air bros na me ka no e filler e attention kokonsatu e wo attention so me din ane akosia sparkles na so na me di kan kai no TikTok star queen ba kope Asantewaa ane Ghana for etu omanugo mu so video bi obeye bia na akoye se wo shikawa awoye warefo na say you know ni anniversary eba na anniversary ni kra nya ndru ye ro wa posti onunu kunu ama Association of Commentators awo Ghana ha say ya wo pia TikTok star ema no e posti onini kunu abe kan san bebre e wo Instagram ni page no ase not for yenko ne kenkan bi mbra the fan number or say they have pressured this girl now she has posted herself and the husband. Hope you are all okay now. Wait, so if you obisu say I think this is necessary. If you know your relationship and how understanding your husband is, you don't need to give them more information without talking, but well, your life, your choices. Happy anniversary. Wait, so if you obiho see you people have given the lady pressure to post their husband. Say asan moho adwemu kra dodo. We also say Comment Readers Association. Some of them now we also say she didn't say husband or my love, just Mr. Obiri, a fair woman. I in Sembi say Anna as commentators nibi the ebeto the block ne so after say or posting on Mr. Obiri say hey I can't imagine how my world would have seen without you, Mr. Obiri. Happy anniversary to us in advance. Now we every TikTok star Asantewaa any the commentators